dismissing the appeal of the accused, and confirm the sentence. First, being further aggrieved by the same, accused is before this court in this revision petition. Next para. That counsel for the revision petition reiterating the grounds urged in the revision petition, vehemently contended that the petitioner is the person who has filed a necessary proceedings before the competent court and directed that the elections are to be held to the so-and-so Dargah and Masjid. And at that juncture, when the complainant objected for the same, there was only a oral scuffle and a trivial incident, and there was a trivial incident of the oral exchange of words which has been blown, BLOWN, blown out of proportion, and a false complaint came to be lodged, and with the influence of the police, a false charge sheet came to be filed against the accused. First, he further pointed out that the material evidence placed on record in the form of prosecution, oral testimony of the prosecution witnesses coupled with the documents did not make out a case for convicting the accused, especially for the offense under section 355 IPC, and therefore and said aspect of the matter has been totally ignored by the trial magistrate and learned judge in the first appellate court, and sought for allowing the revision petition. Next, for alternatively, counsel for the petitioner contended that accused is mechanic by profession and poor in the and is a poor person and is unable to pay the heavy fine, and he is the first time offender, and therefore court may consider reducing the sentence. First, next para per contra learned HCGP ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ತಿರು ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದೆ 4-6 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಿಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಪರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾ ಲರ್ನಡ್ HCGP supports the impugned orders and submits that the conduct attributable to the accused, and in the absence of any mitigating circumstance, order of conviction and sentence is to be maintained by dismissing the revision petition in toto. Next, per having heard the parties, this court perused the matter on record meticulously. On such perusal, it is crystal clear that the prosecution is successful in establishing its case by placing cogent and convincing evidence on record. Trial magistrate has bestowed its best attention to the oral testimony of PW4 and PW6 in arriving at a finding that the prosecution is successful in establishing all ingredients to attract the offences alleged against the accused. First, it is also noted from the material on record, especially the order sheet, that the accused did not participate in the trial despite granting sufficient opportunity. First, cross-examination of the PW4 has also therefore taken as nil by the learned trial magistrate when accused failed to cross-examine PW4 after granting sufficient opportunity. First, next para. Therefore, the conviction order passed by the trial magistrate and confirmed by the first appellate court needs no interference. First, however, with regard to the sentence, since the accused is a first-time offender and incident has occurred at the spur of the moment without there being any intention whatsoever, especially the accused having obtained an order to get an election held for the so-and-so Dargah, this court is of the considered opinion that imposing the fine of rupees 25,000, inclusive of all the fine that has already been imposed by the trial magistrate for the aforesaid offences, would meet the ends of justice. Out of the fine amount recovered, the trial magistrate has ordered some more rupees 2,500 to the CW1 as compensation, 1,000 towards the defraying expenses of the state. First, next para. Taking note of the fact that it is the CW1 who is the victim in the incident, out of the fine amount of rupees 25,000, 5,000 is ordered to be paid as compensation and balance 20,000 towards the defraying expenses of the state. First, accused is granted time to pay the balance fine amount till 30th of June 2024. First, failing to pay the fine amount as modified and ordered by this court would automatically result in reviving the order of sentence passed by the trial court. First, passed by the trial court, confirmed by the first appellate court. Aita, office is directed to return the trial court records with copy of this order copy of this order forthwith. Yes. ಕಟ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನ್ ಕಟ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ? ನಯೀಂ ಪಾಷಾ.
Number 32, Naeem Pasha.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Petitioner, my lordship. Here, the facts of the case of the complainant is that she has lent hand loan to the petitioner through the death benefit and insurance, it seems, LIC amount which come from her husband's death. Allinda chit amount and LIC amount she has received, and she has given the 4 lakhs rupees to the accused anta our case. So, my lordship, I will straight away come to the check, my lordship. Kindly see the check, that is 589003 anta ide. 4/8/2017 ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಂತ.
ಸರಿ.
So, before, when she has given the check amount, at what year she has given the amount, so how she has
ತಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
yes, my lordship.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ
Yes, yes.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes.
ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ದು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
With respect to this particular check, my lordship, this is of the year 2009, my lordship.
All right, sir. What is your defense? Please tell me.
I have not taken any money from.
Very
this
good.
side.
Why did you give the check?
Check was in her husband's custody.
ಯಾರ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡು?
Complainant or husband custody.
ಸರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು ಇವಳು.
She has utilized the check after 9 years.
ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಸ್ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ಡ್.
Misutilized the check.
ಏನ್
after
ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಾವ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
9 years. We have furnished the documents, my lordship. Kindly.
ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ?
We are not even aware of that the check is in our custody.
ಯಾವತ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Only after the case, you file ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗೊಬ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ತಾನೆ?
Yeah, we have contested the matter.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗೊಬ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ತಾನೆ?
Yes.
ಯಾರು ಲಾಯರು?
No.
ಯಾರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ? ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು BA ತಾನೆ?
Yes, yes.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ತಾನೆ LLB ಡಿಗ್ರಿ?
Yes, yes.
ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಗೆ?
No, my lordship. When the case.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಮೋಸ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ?
No, only when the case has been.
ನೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರೋ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ?
We should have filed a notice or stop payment. We should have taken some precautions.
ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈಗ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
Yes.
ಮುಂದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳಿ? ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅದಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬಂತು,
Yes, also
ನೋಟಿಸ್
filed.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
We come to know only after the case has been filed.
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್.
I entered appearance.
ಬಂತು ಸಮನ್ಸು, ಲಾಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ.
Yes.
ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವಳು ಗಂಡಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಚೆಕ್ ನ ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಳು ಅಂತ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
No.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿ?
We have cross-examined her.
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ? ನನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದುರುಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Should have been done, my lordship. Because.
You have not done.
We have not.
Now read 118 and 139. Both sections you read. 118 of the Negotiable Instrument Act and 139 of the Negotiable Instrument Act you read.
We have effectively cross-examined her.
Please read, sir. Let us see the law. ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ನಾನು? Read the law.
Presumption as to negotiable instrument. Until
Whether
the-
check is a negotiable instrument.
Yes.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಿಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
Until the contrary is proved, the following presumption shall be made of consideration that every negotiable instrument was made or drawn for consideration and that.
ಫಾರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. 139 ಓದಿ ಈಗ. Why are we wasting time on all these things?
Presumption in favor of holder. It shall be presumed unless the contrary is.
It
proved.
shall be presumed, sir. ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಳು ಪಾಪರ್ ಚೀಟಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
Yes,
ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಬಾನಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ.
that's right, my lordship.
It's all right.
Illi,
So
my
therefore, when once the check is issued and signature found therein is proved that of your client, then automatically there is a presumption. Fine. That presumption is not absolute as the law says. It's a rebuttable presumption. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಚೆಕ್ಕನ್ನ ಹಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹಣದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಿಕೆಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಈಗ ಡಿಸಾನರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು 138 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಂಥ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ದುಡ್ಡುಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವಾಪಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಚೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು, ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಥರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ದುಡ್ಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ಕನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಪ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ 138 ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಜಗದೀಶ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ,
Yes.
ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ D1 ಅಂತ,
D1,
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ D3 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದಿರಿ, ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದಿರಿ ನೀವು.
No, no,
Is it sufficient?
no, one correction, my lordship. Illi, when the check is 589003, my lord.
I am not worried about any of
This
those things.
subsequent checks, 589004, 905, 908 has been honored on in the year 2009 itself.
I don't know why you did not honor, you should have issued the stop payment, no?
Was with
No, you should have stopped, no? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಗಂಡನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಕರೆದು ಕೇಸಿ, ಯಾಕಲ್ಲ ಹಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
In the year 2015, he died. Thereafter, this has been happened, my lordship.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್